Hi friends. Yeah, hi friends. Today I'll be telling you how we can prevent ourselves from getting stuck. The first main thing before we start this video is please subscribe to my channel and like so you can learn with me. And so let's start. Let's start. And the first thing I wanted to say that even if a thunderstorm is raging outside, you should not go outside on tractors, motorbikes, or open cars. They are not safe. A house or a building is a safe place. If you are in park, if you are like if you are in a forest, please you can take shelter under shorter trees. But if you are in a park, don't take shelter in them. Tall trees can be a little risky. Like I said, short trees can be good and safe, but tall trees can be risky. So carrying an umbrella will not help, as the tip and this holder of the umbrella contains of metal, which is a good conductor of electricity. Similarly, stay away from poles or other metal objects. Supposing if there is a power failure in your house, but so you should turn off all the electric plugs. And similarly, it's safer to use mobile phones and cordless phones, but do not call a person receiving your call through telephone. If you are in an open field and no shelter is available, then squat low on the ground and place your hands on your knees between the head and on the head between the hands. This position will make you the smallest target to be struck, which means that you are a very small target, and there are less chances of you to getting struck. And you should never, as you can as you should look, if you are in a vehicle and suddenly thunder came, then shut all the windows and doors, as you are safe inside. If you like are in a very if you are at home, you should never turn on generators, because they make immense carbon monoxide, which can make a splitting headache and make you pass out. And since you know that a metal is a good conductor of electricity, have you noticed something taller than a building? That's a lightning conductor, which protects the building from the effect of lightning. When you say it's only on the top, you are wrong, since the edge is very deep in the ground. So we can say that it's taller. So some metal objects can be useful, but you should not touch them. Thank you. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Till my next video, like I said, please subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell to learn with me. Bye.